Hello everyone, it's indeed inspiring to see you back again. As we are celebrating our 8th Foundation Day, we are organizing a hackathon. So, hackathon is a competition where programmers compete to create programs and accomplish the specific task. So, the goal of this hackathon is to learn new technical skills as well as brush up your existing technical knowledge. The schedule of this hackathon is we will start this hackathon on 15th of March 2023. The end date will be 29th March 2023. We will share the problem statement in the description box of this video where you can refer the problem statement. The required application that you can use for solving the problem statement will be Jupyter Notebook, Colab, or any other IDE. So these are the some social media guidelines and handlers that you have to tag, or I can say post. So these are the some multiple and innovative hashtags that you can include when you will post your particular problem statement and its code on LinkedIn. So these are the important links that you should keep in mind. This is the first link is for the registration, where you have to fill the Google form and you can register for this particular hackathon. And the second link will be task submission link, where you have to submit your task after completing the given problem statement. So keep connected and be sure that you join this hackathon. So keep learning, remain motivated. Thank you.